this video I will teach you how you can update prices from a supplier list by matching indexes. Let's say we have the following use case and your supplier has sent you an Excel sheet with new prices for some products, and now you want to update the existing prices in your online shop. Usually you would have to go inside Magento and change each and every price by hand, but this can be done in just a few minutes using Copy. All you have to do is to click the Copy tab and load all your products. Once everything is loaded, you can see that your new price sheet is still here. And in this case, all of the products that we want to update are bags. So we open up the bag sheet. Now you have to find the column that contains the price, which is right here, and insert a column right next to it. Make sure that it doesn't apply some properties that you don't want to use. And inside the first cell, you want to start typing index. Just hit tab. And now you want to select the property that you want to display, which of course is the new price. So select the entire column that contains the new prices. And inside the function field, you can hit semicolon, then type match, hit tab again. Now you want to select the unique index. So in this case, we go back into our main sheet and select the first SKU in the same row. Type in another semicolon, and now you want to select the SKUs from the new price sheet. So select the entire column and type in another semicolon, 0. 0 means it is looking for exact matches. Type 2 closing brackets and hit enter. And you can see that the new price is being displayed. We can just drag this down. Now we have the new prices in our main sheet, and let's say we want to increase the new price by 10% and display it as the new price. So all we have to do is go into the first cell, start typing round, hit tab, select the new price, multiply by 110%, semicolon 0, closing bracket, enter. Again, we can drag it down like that, and we are pretty much done. All you have to do is hit save products. Okay, great. And don't worry about the new column that we just created. It won't affect anything inside Magento. So if we go back inside Magento and reload the page, you can see that the new prices are now being updated.